Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about different types of flanges in sheet metal module. You can see a straight flange, stretch flange, shrink flange, joggle flange, and reverse flange. So I am going to show you one by one. So these are the different flanges. So I'm going to create the straight flange. So I've taken a rectangle command. So this is the simple rectangle, see here. So using this sketch I am going to create one base flange, see here. Now I am going to create a straight flange. Select the edge flange and select this edge. So this is a simple straight flange. Most of the time we use this flange for creating the sheet metal component. Now I am going to show you how to create this stretch flange. So I am going to delete this. So I am going to unhide this, and here in blaze flange I am going to modify this. See here. Select this line and make it construction, and select. So I am going to create this curve, see here. See this. Now similarly I am going to select the edge flange and creating this right angle flange, see here. So this is the stretch flange, and I am going to create this shrink flange. See here. Select the edge flange. See here. See, one thing we see the difference between this edge flange, that is a straight flange. See, when we select this edge and create a edge flange, see the sketch is 2D. Two-dimensional, and it creates a rectangle. See here, this is the rectangle. But whereas for this stretch flange and the shrink flange, it creates a 3D sketch. It is like a meter flange or swept flange. See, it creates a straight line and creates like a swept flange. So there is no rectangle is formed here. It creates one path and one profile. So that is how it creates. since it is a curved surface, this edge is a curved surface. So that is the difference. You can see here left side, you can see the sketch is a 3D sketch and here is a 2D sketch. So that is the difference. So now I am going to show you how to create the joggled flange. See, I am going to delete this line. See here, these two lines are straight lines and this line is a straight line, and to maintain the tangency we have to create the arc. So this is arc. If you don't create this arc, so we cannot create this flange. So there should be a smooth flow in the path. So we have to apply this fillet command. So that is very much important. See here, this is the shape of this base flange, and we can select this edge flange and all the tangent edges. See here. So this is how it looks like. So this is a joggled flange. Next I am going to create the reverse flange. See here also we have to see this sketch. It is a 3D sketch. See here. So whenever we have a curved profile, it automatically creates a 3D sketch. So I'm going to delete this. See here in reverse flange, you can see the reverse flange. This is the curved surface. See, this is earlier we have created straight line. See, you can see the straight line. Here it's a curved line, and to maintain the tangency we have to apply the fillet. See, this is a curved surface. Let's say okay. See, you can see the base flange. So this is how it looks like. Now I am going to apply this edge flange. See here. This is how it looks like. So these are the basic 5 types of flanges in sheet metal. So this is how we create in SolidWorks sheet metal module. Thanks for watching. For more videos on SolidWorks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Tutorial.